Corona here, out here walking dozer. It's a good Sunday. The All-Star race is tonight, 8 o'clock, FS1. Go Chase Elliott, rocking the number 9 Napa shirt. Let's get that All-Star win and win many races and win the Coca-Cola 600. And it's going to be an awesome work week. Back working with the GM is awesome. Love my job. Family's awesome. God is good. And living my best life. And definitely looking forward to the Coca-Cola 600 next Sunday. It's going to be up north, but let's get that win, Chase Elliott. And back to walking with Dozer. And I'll have my post-race reaction on the All-Star race today.